Live editing of semantic models in warehouse within the Power BI service. A Power BI data warehouse is a cloud-based analytics service that allows users to analyze data, build reports and dashboards, and create visualizations. User can edit data in the Power BI service warehouse. Let's explore how to modify the data within the warehouse. The user is able to import data into the warehouse. The user can build a warehouse from that data and generate live reports directly from it. We have already created a report from that data. In other situations, we can't modify the semantic model, but in the Power BI warehouse, we have the ability to make changes to it. Now, we will verify that the changes are reflected after editing the original data. As we can see, after editing the data, the bar chart has been updated. In the warehouse, users can both create new relationships and delete existing ones. Users can create new measures, assign roles, and manage them. User can create multiple reports from the same dataset. Thank you for watching this video. To know more about live editing of semantic model, contact Vericitas.